listen to me. Like I do this all the time. And if I go out at the house with the door, Matthew has his toys, and then Matthew has all his toys.
Okay, but I have to yell at you guys.
Okay, Linda, listen, Linda, listen.
Okay, what?
Like everything they do at this house, you can't touch everything at Grandma's house.
Okay.
Okay, then what?
Then you're not listening to me.
Then you're not listening to me.
I asked you not to do something.
Linda, but listen to me. Look it. If we do something, if you get that bird thing off, you're gonna break it.
Okay, but I'm letting you know that you cannot.
Linda, lick it.
You're not listening to me.
Linda,
listen to me now.
Listen
to me now.
Listen to me.
No, you're not listening. I said no cupcakes, and you try to get cupcakes, and you try to ask Grandma.
Linda,
didn't you?
Linda, lick it. If we do something without this, if we get close, you can't even get them. You're gonna burn your butt.
What's gonna burn your butt?
No.
You and Kevin don't listen, so I have to give both of you guys pop-pows in your butt.
But Linda, Grandpa's gonna give you pop-pows in the butt.
No, he's not.
Yeah.
I have to. You don't want me to hit Kevin, or you don't want me to spank you?
No.
Why?
Because anybody wants to spank me.
Then I have to spank Kevin.
But he's my little pop-pops.
He's your little pop-ups, but he doesn't listen.
But Linda, honey, look at this. Right now, we can't do anything if we can't get everything out of the wall. If we're gonna break everything down.
I'm not breaking anything down. I'm just letting you know
Linda,
you cannot have cupcakes for dinner.
Linda, like this thing, I never belong to you. Anything, you can't get anything and anything and anything.
I'm done arguing with you.
I'm not arguing with you.
Rồi.
Cho anh đi nha, cho anh đi cháo nha. Đấy, cứ ăn này hà mà. Ăn rồi. Ăn rồi. Ăn rồi. Ăn rồi.
Ты там лежишь. Что это? Это надо как последнего. Телефон есть какой-нибудь? Да нет, как-то не обменялись. Значит так, время ждал час.